Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at an interesting model kit. Now this is this is not what I typically unbox as a model kit, because it doesn't look like a tank, it doesn't look like a ship, it doesn't look like a plane. It's chemistry. My organic chemistry teacher made me buy it, so might as well do one. It's a model kit at the end of the day. So this is the one from Molymod. Its scale is, I don't know. I mean, it wouldn't have a scale because the atoms would be different sizes, I think. Or it'd be like an astronomically high scale, like 1 to like 2 billion or something. I don't know. Anyways, let's take a look at our instructions. So what do we have in here? We have 14 carbons, 20 hydrogens, 6 oxygens, 2 nitrogens, 1 sulfur, 1 phosphorus, 1 sulfur, 4 halogens, 1 metal, 26 links, 12 gray links, 26 links, 1 tool, and then 4 tetrahedral. Okay, and then there's the different type of bond types. And then it is not a toy. It's suited only for people over 14 years of age. It might be a choking hazard. It tells you the bonds here: single bonds, double bonds, and compact models. All right, open models, and then compact models. So it's like the small stuff. And then molecular geometries, displayed formula, molecular model of ethanol. All right. Isomers. Oh, I still need to do my isomer homework from organic chemistry. And then esters. And that's the tool, how you move this stuff open. Oh, and then here's your chemistry notes. It's cool to actually give you this, but I'm a military channel. Why am I doing chemistry? Alkanes, alkenes, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, ethers, halogens. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna go take a look at the unboxing anyways. Alrighty, so first things first, here are the bonds. Okay. So here is the long and short bonds. They're all injection molded. And the long ones are flexible, which is good. So you can just bend them as you would need. Short ones are they're tight. Short ones are very tight. They do have some injection molded like fluid on them, probably the oil. I can't really say anything about panel lines on these because, well, there's not any panel lines on here. You do have some seam marks on here, and you have injection pin marks on the inside, which is good that they chose to put them right there because they'll be covered up by the atom. But there's no any rivets, and this might be a bit difficult to airbrush. All right, but pretty good. Anyways, moving on here, have our elements. So we have a shiny little one. This one should be like the sulfur or something, and then it just bonds like that, and then you can bond it like that. Pretty cool. These round ones are the elements. They do have some burrs on there, so you might want to do some sanding and then use some putty on them. There are some slight panel lines on here, but I think that those are seam marks actually. There is some flash on the edges of this one, and the plastic flow is a bit weird on this one, so you might have to airbrush it. They are all stamped with the maker's name on the bottom, Molymod stuff, and yeah, there's a little bit of flash on the edges, but it's pretty good. And then yeah, these are your individual atoms. They're pretty sweet. Alrighty, moving on here, we have our little bonds. The little bonds, again, drop that one. These ones are pretty sweet. They have nice edge, and then the again the punch ejector pin marks are on the inside, which is good. Okay, looking at the white parts here. This looks like our oxygens. And again, yeah, there's some flash on the edges, but with enough trimming, you could definitely fix this. Okay, that's pretty good. And then, next, we have our carbons, as well as the tool for cleaning. So here's the tool. You'll use this, just like force it open. It's copyright 1984, so it means this company's been around for more than 40 years. It's pretty cool. It's a small bit of plastic. And then the carbons. Yeah, these carbons have quite a bit of flash on them. I mean, these are quite old, but it is still pretty cool. Yeah, there's definitely some flash on these. And you might need to sand them down a little bit. But yeah, it's a pretty interesting model kit. Here's your instructions. I guess it doesn't come with decals or photo etch, but I don't know why they wouldn't put photo. I wonder why they wouldn't put photo etch in here. Maybe I'm overthinking it. Maybe I shouldn't be like grading this chemistry model kit like I grade a tank. But overall, I hope I do well in organic chemistry. It's my senior year. Don't let the senioritis get to me. God, Anyways, this is an interesting model kit. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.